We are in North Alabama today, and so many of us love to paint cotton fields. And this one is in full bloom. So glad that they haven't begun the picking process. Can you imagine when this was all done by hand, how difficult it was? I once knew a lady who had picked cotton, and she talked about the wear and tear on the hands and the difficulty, as I said. Isn't this a beautiful field? Let's pan around here. The cotton seed and the cotton has so many uses. So we'll get real close on these cotton bolls, so if you need a detail, you will have them in the way they grow. So you can create your own cotton field painting. There we go. I hope this will help you in planning your own composition. Bye now.